What is the outermost layer of the Earth called? A. Mantle. B. Core. C. Crust. D. Lithosphere. Answer. C. Crust. The outermost layer of the Earth is called the crust, which is solid and relatively thin compared to other layers. What is the primary composition of the Earth's core? A. Rocks. B. Metals. C. Water. D. Air. Answer. B. Metals. The Earth's core is primarily composed of metals, mainly iron and nickel. Which of the following layers is responsible for the Earth's magnetic field? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. Answer. C. Outer core. The Earth's outer core, composed mainly of liquid iron and nickel, generates the Earth's magnetic field. The mantle of the Earth is made up of which type of rock? A. Sedimentary rocks. B. Igneous rocks. C. Metamorphic rocks. D. All of the above. Answer. B. Igneous rocks. The mantle consists primarily of solid, molten rock, mainly basalt and peridotite, which are igneous in nature. Which part of the Earth's interior is liquid? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. Answer. C. Outer core. The outer core is liquid due to the high temperatures that prevent metals from solidifying. The transition zone between the Earth's crust and mantle is called the A. Maharavasuk discontinuity. B. Gutenberg discontinuity. C. Lithosphere-asthenosphere boundary. D. Lithosphere-mantle boundary. Answer. A. Maharavasuk discontinuity. The Maharavasuk discontinuity, or MOHO, marks the boundary between the Earth's crust and mantle. What is the primary composition of the Earth's mantle? A. Iron and nickel. B. Silicate minerals. C. Water. D. Oxygen and nitrogen. Answer. B. Silicate minerals. The Earth's mantle is primarily composed of silicate minerals, including minerals rich in magnesium and iron. Which layer of the Earth is responsible for tectonic plate movement? A. Mantle. B. Crust. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. Answer. A. Mantle. The mantle is responsible for tectonic plate movement, especially in the asthenosphere, where partial melting occurs. The Earth's inner core is A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Semi-solid. D. Gaseous. Answer. A. Solid. Despite extremely high temperatures, the inner core is solid due to the immense pressure. The Earth's core is mainly composed of A. Oxygen and silicon. B. Iron and nickel. C. Magnesium and calcium. D. Hydrogen and helium. Answer. B. Iron and nickel. The Earth's core consists mostly of iron and nickel, which are metals with high melting points. Which of the following is the deepest part of the Earth? A. Mantle. B. Crust. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. Answer. D. Inner core. The inner core is the deepest part of the Earth, located at a depth of approximately 5,150 kilometers beneath the surface. The layer of the Earth that is semi-fluid and allows the movement of tectonic plates is A. Mantle. B. Lithosphere. C. Asthenosphere. D. Outer core. Answer. C. Asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is a semi-fluid layer within the mantle that allows the movement of tectonic plates. The Earth's lithosphere is composed of A. Crust only. B. Crust and upper mantle. C. Mantle only. D. All layers of the Earth. Answer. B. Crust and upper mantle. The lithosphere consists of the Earth's crust and the uppermost part of the mantle. Which of the following layers of the Earth is the thickest? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. Answer. B. Mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer of the Earth, extending about 2,900 kilometers beneath the surface. The process that occurs when tectonic plates move and cause earthquakes and volcanic activity is known as A. Plate tectonics. B. Rock cycle. C. Sedimentation. D. Weathering. Answer. A. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics refers to the movement of the Earth's lithospheric plates, causing earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountain ranges. Which of the following is found in the Earth's inner core? A. Water. B. Air. C. Solid iron. D. Gas. Answer. C. Solid iron. The inner core is mostly made of solid iron, with some nickel. The boundary between the Earth's outer core and inner core is called the A. Maharavasuk discontinuity. B. Gutenberg discontinuity. C. Lithosphere-asthenosphere boundary. D. Lithosphere-mantle boundary. Answer. B. Gutenberg discontinuity. The Gutenberg discontinuity is the boundary between the Earth's outer and inner cores. The Earth's lithosphere floats on which layer? A. Asthenosphere. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. Answer. A. Asthenosphere. The lithosphere floats on the semi-fluid asthenosphere, which is located within the mantle. What is the temperature range of the Earth's inner core? A. 2000–4000 degrees Celsius. B. 4000-5500 degrees Celsius. C. 5400-6000 degrees Celsius. D. 6000-7000 degrees Celsius. Answer: C. 5400-6000 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the Earth's inner core ranges from about 5400 degrees Celsius to 6000 degrees Celsius. The Earth's crust is made of two types of rocks. What are they? A. Basalt and granite. B. Sandstone and limestone. C. Coal and clay. D. Igneous and metamorphic. Answer: A. Basalt and granite. The Earth's crust is composed mainly of basalt, oceanic crust, and granite, continental crust. The process of convection occurs in which part of the Earth? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. Answer: B. Mantle. Convection currents in the mantle drive the movement of tectonic plates. Which layer of the Earth is responsible for volcanic eruptions? A. Mantle. B. Outer core. C. Inner core. D. Crust. Answer: A. Mantle. Volcanic eruptions are caused by the movement of molten material from the mantle to the surface. Which layer is directly above the Earth's mantle? A. Outer core. B. Crust. C. Lithosphere. D. Asthenosphere. Answer: B. Crust. The Earth's crust is directly above the mantle, forming the outermost solid layer. The boundary between the Earth's mantle and the outer core is known as the A. Moho. B. Lithosphere. C. Gutenberg discontinuity. D. Asthenosphere. Answer: C. Gutenberg discontinuity. The Gutenberg discontinuity marks the boundary between the mantle and the outer core. Which layer of the Earth contains the majority of its mass? A. Mantle. B. Crust. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. Answer: A. Mantle. The mantle contains the majority of the Earth's mass, making up about 84% of the Earth's total mass. What causes the movement of the tectonic plates? A. The sun. B. Ocean currents. C. Convection currents in the mantle. D. Wind forces. Answer: C. Convection currents in the mantle. Convection currents in the mantle cause the movement of tectonic plates. What is the primary cause of earthquakes? A. Volcanic eruptions. B. Movement of tectonic plates. C. Weather changes. D. Wind storms. Answer: B. Movement of tectonic plates. Earthquakes are primarily caused by the movement of tectonic plates along faults. The lithosphere is composed of how many tectonic plates? A. 5. B. 7. C. 10. D. 12. Answer: B. 7. The Earth's lithosphere is divided into about 7 major tectonic plates. Which of the following layers of the Earth is the least dense? A. Mantle. B. Crust. C. Outer core. D. Inner core. Answer: B. Crust. The Earth's crust is the least dense layer compared to the mantle and core.